Today in Brain Logistics. What is logistics? Have you ever wondered how products get from one side of the world to your doorstep? That's the magic of logistics. But what exactly is logistics? Logistics is the process of moving goods from point A to point B. But it's much more than just transportation. It involves planning, storage, packaging, and delivering the right product at the right time to the right place. There are key components in logistics. Warehousing, where products are stored before shipping. Inventory management, ensuring the right amount of stock is available. Transportation, trucks, ships, planes, and even drones that move goods. Supply chain management, coordinating everything to make sure the whole process runs smoothly. Every time you order something online or buy products at the store, logistics is at work. From food to electronics, logistics ensures that everything we need is available when and where we want it. Today, technology plays a big role in logistics. With automation, real-time tracking, and even artificial intelligence, logistics is becoming faster, smarter, and more efficient. So next time you receive a package or find your favorite product in store, remember, it's all thanks to logistics, the hidden network that keeps the world moving. Logistics isn't just about moving things. It's about connecting people, businesses, and ideas across the globe.